So the white interior?
That is like stark white. That's not even like ivory or off-white. Like I would be terrified. Well, and we have a 3-year-old, so I'd be even more terrified. But I would be terrified of that.
I mean, I'd want to, if we have a classic car, older car, I'd like to drive it a lot. And
yeah, and I would be scared to death of that.
Yeah, as anal as I am about keeping things clean, like I'd be terrified to get anything on that white interior.
No slime in that car.
Yeah, no slime. Where are we today, Miss Carolina Car Dude?
We are at the Hornets Nest Auto Fair.
And it is at the Charlotte Motor Speedway here in beautiful Charlotte, North Carolina. And we'll show you all the classic cars, cars for sale.
All the fun things.
And some of the vendors, yes. So, true classic car. You like the yellow rims?
I do, actually. Yellow is my favorite color.
It very much pops. I like it. Oh, look at that interior, though. That's kind of a little design element up your alley there.
Yeah, it's got that vintage.
Kind of got like, was it Louis
yeah, it's
feel?
Louis feels. You can tell it's money. That's what it is. You can just tell it's old money.
That's right.
Look at in here. Babe, look at up there. Look at
Oh, look at that. Little intricacies there. That is super cool.
I think it's that one.
What do we got here?
If I ever win the lottery, I won't tell anybody, but there will be signs.
This is going to be one of the signs, huh?
This will be one of the signs.
This is a beautiful Bel Air. It's actually not a bad price, too. 57,000, right under 57,000.
You think the CD player came standard?
No,
Yeah.
CD player, not standard. So this Autofest, they got the cars on the outside of the track, which I think works really well. A ton of cars here today. Well worth coming out and checking out this car show for sure. These 442s, oh. You're a fan too, huh? The T-tops on these, how cool is that?
So my best friend Brandy had a car with T-tops when we were 16,
Yes.
and when we took her car out, oh man, we thought we were so cool.
I bet.
T-tops were the it.
This is beautiful. What's that?
So there's two of them right next to each other, two maroons.
There is two maroons. We were just talking about how you don't see maroon cars anymore. But like the two-tone color with the silver and the maroon just really, and then with the gold pinstripes too. Like I would never pick a maroon car, but that.
That's nice though.
Yeah, very.
It's just a color you don't see anymore.
Yeah. Now this Oldsmobile 442, the boxy style of it, oh my gosh. The interior, that's what my favorite things in these cars. The interiors are just like a piece of art inside.
Oh yeah, we've lost like the design elements on the
Yes,
interior.
yes.
When it came down,
Look at that.
lower because the back end.
You be burning your butt off in this hot weather in that black leather, but
No, do you not remember? My mom, so we had the 67 Mustang and we would pack towels and we would put towels down to
Really?
like, sit on or leave over the seat so we wouldn't burn ourselves
well,
when we got
you guys
in.
were smart.
Yeah.
I don't think I ever learned, my dad never taught me that lesson.
Yeah, we would pack towels.
This Lincoln limo might be the best car here.
That is gorgeous. Let's
And-
take a limo rider's cap.
And for like a specific reason, we were told to. First off, that hood ornament is spectacular. And yep, look at that. A true gangster car, if I'll say so myself.
I love it.
What color would you call this one?
Burnt orange?
Burnt orange, yeah. That's
And that, I mean, that's,
no, I
that's
think you
technically,
are
but
correct. It's not an orange, but
it's like fall orange.
fall
Rustic
orange.
orange or
Rustic
something.
orange.
That's better than burnt orange.
Let's take a look at that Camaro, because that could be coming home one day. How awesome would this be in our garage?
I feel like my Bel Air would be much more awesome.
Oh yeah, but we can never afford a Bel Air. We can afford this though.
We can afford it.
What?
We can afford my Bel Air.
Oh,
We just, guys, you got to start following, liking, and commenting on all of our videos so I can have my Bel Air someday.
say that again.
Said I need everyone to start commenting, liking, and following us, and
Oh.
then someday we can have my Bel Air.
You are a true YouTuber right there. So I love this Camaro. I like, who wouldn't? But this one, I think this one was at the spring show. This is peak Camaro for me, and I've said this 1,000. If you've been watching this channel, you know my huge love for the third gen Camaros. But oh my gosh, everything looks legit inside too. Thoughts?
You're more of an 80s car guy than I am a girl.
You are. You're more of a
Very classic.
50s classic, yes. This Camaro looks like it's straight out of Fast and the Furious. Love the wheels on this. What? Lights there. Little touches on the bottom.
What is it that he says?
Oh, look at that. It's definitely built for Fast
That
and
is.
Furious.
I don't have friends. I have family. Isn't that right?
What?
Isn't that what he says? Isn't that the line? I don't have friends. I have family.
Yeah, you're right. Yes. What do you think of the Thunderbird here?
Oh, that color is like one of my favorite classic
You would
car
be
colors.
perfect for that.
That is a me color.
Oh my
car
gosh,
right
this
now.
car
I love
is
it.
be perfect for you.
It's got the white wall tires.
Look at the interior
Yeah,
on this.
I love that.
Beautiful. Perfect for Miss Carolina car, dude.
This would be perfect.
And every one of them that have
So finding a good old classic truck is high on my list. And this, I would gladly take home. Right color, right look. Yes. So we got 1985 Monte Carlo. This one is for sale for $25,000. A fantastic car from the 80s. Got the nice maroon cloth interior inside there. Nice paint job as well. We taking it?
Sure.
She said yes. You don't see the Bel Air wagons too often. Love the look of them. This 54 Hudson, under 20? So the best part really of this, the AutoFest here, is the vendor.
Yeah, they have just like cool stuff. Like it's obviously like lots of car stuff, but there's also like knick-knacky stuff you can find.
Yeah, they got a little bit of everything here. Cars for sale, parts,
All the fun stuff.
unique items, yeah. Oh, this is great. I never would have expected to find a coffin at the AutoFest.
Along with the Loretta Lynn picture.
Along with Loretta Lynn. Happy Halloween.
Here's Color Express.
These are great.
You are a sucker for old signs.
I love them. Yeah, that Cadillac one?
I like the door one.
Which one?
I like this one. That looks like the door handle.
Oh, that is cool. Yeah.
That is neat.
Look at that old Chevrolet sign. I've never seen one like that.
That's really fun.
22.5 for 78 Trans Am. Oh man.
Oh, that's so nice. I know everybody.
What little trinket did you find?
A travel iron. I don't even know if I own an iron.
Internet. I've never seen anything like that.
We even own an iron?
My dad and grandpa love putting together some models. As Mountain Dew being one of my favorite drinks, this sign is great. And you got the North Wilkesboro sign there too. Any Dr. Pepper fans?
Pepper upper. That's funny.
What's that?
The pepper upper. That's funny.
So that is awesome.
Look how fun that is!
Yeah, so State Farm has a little booth here where you can get some bobbleheads made. Just give them a picture. We got
That
one
is
of our daughter
great.
there. That's awesome.
Yeah.
I could literally spend all day just walking around, checking all this stuff out. Like, to me, this is great. Like, if you're not coming this year to the Hornets Nest Auto Fest in the fall, make sure you get here next year, because
It's definitely worth it. There's a lot of really like cool cars, cool stuff,
yeah, the vendor
Right.
stuff here is fantastic. Like,
Got a coffee?
yeah, love. Yeah, where's the coffin? Oh, let's go check that out. Hornets Nest Auto Fest 2025 in the fall.
Yes, it was awesome. They had lots of cool cars, lots of good stuff for sale, lots of good, cool stuff just to see. Got some goodies. All things are good.
It was great.
was.
If you haven't been to it,
Definitely come check it out.
put it on the calendar for next year.
Absolutely.
Bye.
Bye y'all.